Hello, my name is Jason Eckberg, and I'm an environmental biologist who specializes in botany at the Las Vegas Wash. Do you know what botanists study? As a botanist, I specialize in plant biology and study of invasive species and native species. Now, who knows the difference between invasive and native species? Here, let me show you an example. One of the native species you can find at the Las Vegas Wash is Fremont's cottonwood. These trees are big, growing up to 115 feet tall, and are native to the southwestern United States as well as western Mexico. And here's an invasive species. This shrub is one of our most invasive species we have at the Las Vegas Wash. It's known as tamarisk, or some people refer to it as salt cedar. Now that you've seen an example of native and invasive species, take a few minutes to write down what you think native and invasive means. While you're writing down your answers, we'll show you some drone imagery of the Las Vegas Wash. Alright, let's talk about invasive species. Part of my job is to remove invasive species like tamarisk. Invasive species are organisms that are not native to an area and can cause great economic and environmental harm. We use different management strategies to remove tamarisk, such as mechanical, chemical, and biological. Mechanical is when we use heavy equipment to remove the plants. Chemical is when we treat the plants with an herbicide. Biological is when an insect that is a natural predator eats the plant. We found that a combination of the different strategies works the best for us. Tamarisk is an invasive species to the Las Vegas Wash that reproduces rapidly and can take over an area, killing off the native species if not regulated. So it's my job to locate invasive species along the wash and remove them. To date, 1,464 acres of tamarisk has been removed from the Las Vegas Wash. We also control other invasive species like tall whitetop and arundo. I also help manage the revegetation efforts along the Las Vegas Wash. Once we've removed the invasive species, I determine what native species will be planted in their place. So going back to the definitions you wrote down earlier, native species are plants and animals that originated and live in an area naturally and with no human intervention. Over the past 20 years, with the help of the Las Vegas Wash Coordination Committee, we have revegetated more than 515 acres, and a large majority of that was planted by volunteers during our biannual green-up events. Those events are a great opportunity for people of all ages to come help us revegetate along the Las Vegas Wash. If that's something you and your family would like to participate in, have your parents sign up for our e-newsletter. This way, you can stay informed about future green-up events. Step-by-step instructions on how to sign up will be sent to you after this presentation. We really hope to see you at our next green-up event so you can help us plant native vegetation along the Las Vegas Wash.